Hi, this is Oscar today. Talking about the Lambada function or anomalous function. This function actually can take as many argument it takes, but only have one expression that's going. Um, Let me show you how does it work. Actually, is before we had a function that we say, okay, define. If you want to have a function, create our own function, we put a word of the def, define, say define, and the name of the function, and open parentheses, and if there is any argument, put it, and then colon and go. But let me create another, one Lambada function. How does it work? Uh, and then I use the word of Lambada here, and I use a or any variable that I want and two colon, and what I want to say that I can say that here is a plus 30, okay, and then I want to print this one. Can I say print? And the print, what I want to, I have value here. That's like, for example, the value that I want to add to that one, which is a, is 40. And let me run this for see how does it come. So the number is 70. How does it work? So this is one expression. Actually, that I can have only one expression, but I can have as many parameter here. I can have 2, 3, 4 of them, and did it. So this is the name of the that I give, the variable that I give, and the function is Lambada. And then I have only one expression that put it, this expression is after the colon. Let me go for the next one, see how does it work. One value here. So one more variable here, then Lambada, and I can give as many argument here. Let me give it the argument. Let's give the A, B, C, D, 4 of them. And then what I want to do, I want to say A, just adding all together, B plus C and plus D. Actually, this C is different because this is different argument. This C should be here, it is. And then let me print out adding here. Let me put the argument here, which is, for example, I said 10 plus 20 plus 30 and plus 40. And let me run, see what will happen. So it's 30, 60, and 100. So it's going to be add all together. So that is the argument that we have A, B, C, D here, and return we have right here. So on this is, you may ask why we need that one. That's really on Lambada function, we can have no or zero or more argument after the colon. So here, for example, one of them, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to create square, and I set Lambada, and what I'm going to say that I have the x, what value is going to be that, and colon, I set x times x, so the square root of the square of that one. So, and then I go and say print square, and I give value for that one. Let me say 110. See how does it work. It's 10. Or I give you 100. It's pretty good that any number that you want to give, it gives you, doesn't make any difference. So that is something that it's very easy. So we have, on this case, we have one argument here, and then we have the symbol of the colon and the expression that we use it. This is expression. After the colon is the expression we use it. So we are able to have 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. There is other way that I can name as the same on a function. And what I'm going to do it, I give value for it, and then I want return of the whatever value I did, x times x. So the square come here. So if just one get out of that one, so what I want to do it, I can say print, and I call function. Function is square, and give the value. For example, here it is, I give it 100. See what will happen. It's the same thing it shows right now. If I put it same number, it's going to give me the same value that I had it before. Doesn't make any difference. So why I'm using Lambada instead of the function. They define a function here, and that is, I name it unknown, and I give a non parameter here, and what I want to do it, I want return here, so I have to return the Lambada, which what does it do? Whatever value I gave them, it's going to be times the unknown number that I have been as a here parameter. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to say call this function. I call it here. It is at this case I just put it a variable here. Just I put it a, and then I'm going to call this unknown function here, but I give them a value of here, for example, a value of 10, and I want, so at this case it takes the value of 10, but I want multiply by that one, so I will say that print for me the a, which is right now here that I get it, but I have to give a value here. Let me give you a value of the 10, see what happened here. See, if I give value of the 2 here, it's going to be 20 right here. So this is return anonymous function here, which what will happen, any value that it gets from here, which is in, multiply by any value that I gave here right now as a. I gave here 10, is multiply 10 by 2 here, so it return the value. So that's the beauty of the function and Lambada, that we are able to use Lambada inside a function. And you are going to use it in future, even ask is the person name, and then you want to have it inside, only one thing that you want to do, you want to calculate the price of the products that person gets. So that's a available Lambada we use it. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let's follow for next lesson.